Hi everyone, welcome to my channel JP Lottery. So friends, in this video, I show UK49 prediction for Sunday 20 April 2025. Today lunchtime single prediction numbers number 7, number 18, number 22, number 26, number 46, number 47. Today lunchtime single prediction number repeat number 7, number 18, number 22, number 26, number 46, number 47. Now lunchtime second prediction numbers number 12, number 24, number 30, number 45, number 48, number 49. Today lunchtime second prediction number repeat number 12, number 24, number 30, number 35, 45, number 48, number 49. Now lunchtime bonus ball numbers number 15 and number 32. Today lunchtime bonus ball number repeat number 15 and number 32. So friends, complete today lunchtime prediction numbers. Today tea time prediction for Sunday 20 April 2025. Today tea time single prediction numbers number 3, number 9, number 16, number 19, number 31, number 42. Today tea time single prediction number repeat number 3, number 9, number 16, number 19, number 31, number 32. Today tea time second prediction numbers number 1, number 13, number 36, number 46, number 48, number 49. Now tea time second prediction number repeat number 1, number 13, number 36, number 46, number 48, number 49. Today time bonus ball numbers number 18 and number 36. Today time bonus ball number repeat number 18 and number 36. So friends, complete today tea time prediction numbers. So friends, like and comment this video. Please subscribe my channel, press the bell icon for next notification.